video. It's a surprise which we're gonna make. You'll need an orange bucket, a black foam plate, and a black marker, and any kind of paintbrush. And you'll need different colors like yellow and etc., which will go amazing. And first, let's start with the bucket. So in the bucket you will need the marker. So all you have to do is draw a spooky nice face that you like. So come here close to me so I can tell you. Guys, let's make it. Pin the black marker and start making with me. Make it spooky and color the whole eye. But first I'm gonna make the second eye as well. Make it big so it doesn't look cute. I mean, if you like it cute, if you want it to be cute, then you can make it cute. But if you don't want it to be cute, then try to make it horror. And guys, now let's make the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot of them. And one in the middle. And guys, I want to tell you a cool fact about ladybugs. That do you see these spots on ladybugs? I think you do. And when a ladybug each birthday comes, there comes a one new spot. Yeah, so in every birthday of a ladybug, these spots come. That means the ladybug is birthday, because it got more spots. Means how many here it is. Like it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 spots on this. That means this is 11 years old. Yep, that's correct. Now let's make the eyes. let's put it in the bucket. So let me put all of them. Actually, not all of them, just a little bit. Here you go. I think. Oh my god, that scared me. Let me put some back inside. I guess that's it. We just need a little bit, not too much. And let's set it in the tray. It's not drying right now, so it's not dried, so that's why I'm just gonna put it on the sides. This is how we do it when guests come. When guests come. There you go. And you can see, it looks so nice. Trick or treat. And everything inside. Stop. What is going on here? The big candies are not even showing. Let me just try to show them. Boom! I put these also. So many candies. And it looks so amazing, guys. And let's just take this and put it in the middle. So guys, this is for today's video. Like it, don't forget to like to my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. So every time I upload a new video, give you a notification. And I hope you also enjoyed my craft. Okay, bye bye. Happy Halloween, guys. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Oh, thank you. You're so nice. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.